Namaskar to all of you. I would like to congratulate Gayatri and Samarpana for this wonderful project that you have taken up. Do you hear me? You hear me? Is the audio okay? Do you hear me?
Yes.
I don't have to repeat what I said. So I'm very happy to meet all of you, particularly Gayatri and her Samarpana group. You've been doing a wonderful service for regaining tranquility in this hour of, I don't know what to call this. It's terrible. It's a terrible tragedy that we are seeing all over. But one thing I must say, God has been kind to India. India is much better off compared to certain other countries. And thanks to our Modi ji, who has taken pains to see that there is lockdown. And I only wish and request that the lockdown has to be successful and we have to definitely stay in so that the disease doesn't spread. So, to ward off all those miseries that we have in our mind, we must have some dance, and I think it's a great idea that we dancers come together. And I think I'm the first senior dancer to join your group. My best wishes, and I hope after me, more seniors will also join me. Well, I want to start with, it's all going to be live music. You don't hear me? You hear me now? You hear me now? Is it okay? I'm going to perform. It's all going to be live music. Gayatri is here and Mahati is behind the mobile camera. So I thought we will do some verses from Devi Stuti, Argala Stotram, and what we need is to fight the unseen enemy, and we don't know who is the real enemy, whoever it is. I'm not going into the history or politics of it, but let the minds of the enemies also be vanquished, and let us have some very peaceful days to look forward. So here is Argala Stuti. It starts with Jayatvam Devi Chamunde. Victory to you, Chamundeshwari. And it also has a prayer, Dehi Saubhagyam Arogyam. That's the last verse I will do. Arogyam is for the health. It's for the good health of not only the person who is praying and dancing or singing. It is a prayer for all of us, the human race, to get out of this roham and let Devi give us Arogyam. Then it ends as Dehi Saubhagyam Arogyam, Dehi Devi Aram Sukham, Rupam Dehi, give me good form, Jayam Dehi, give me victory, Yasho Dehi, give me fame, and destroy the enemy. So I'll start with this. Gayatri will be singing.
ॐ जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डी ॐ जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डी जय भूतापहारिणी जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डी जय भूतापहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते जयन्ती मंगला काली काली ॐ जयन्ती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते मधुकैटभविध्वंसी विधातृ वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि रक्तबीज वधे देवी रक्तबीज वधे देवी चण्डमुण्ड विनाशिनी विद्यावन्तं यशस्वन्तं लक्ष्मीवन्तं च मां कुरु देहि सौभाग्यमारोग्यं देहि देवी परं सुखं देहि सौभाग्यमारोग्यम् आरोग्यम् 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 देहि सौभाग्यमारोग्यं देहि देवी परं सुखं रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि You can. I'm not take it. Take it.
Shreyaka, okay. Completely a different mood. I thought I'll do a little Abhinaya for a Shringarapadam, seated, so that you can see my face better. And this is a composition of Dr. Balamurali Krishna, Marulu Minchira. I don't think you need to have any explanation. The song will be Kaitari. Good minute. You see my hand?
Marulu minchera ika ninnu bidanadalera Marulu minchera ika ninnu మరుదు మించేరా విరిసిన సుమమా కురిసిన వెన్నెల విరిసిన సుమమా కురిసిన వెన్నెల మరణ వచ్చేదాయని మరణ వచ్చేదాయని తరలిపో పోగురా మరణ వచ్చేదాయని తరలిపో పోగురా మరులు మించేరా కన్నుల కరయు తీరను కనింట నీరు కన్నుల కరయు తీరను కనింట నీరు మిన్నుల చింతేను మిన్నుల చింతేను మదియానందముగా మిన్నుల చింతేను మదియానందముగా రాధా మరులు మించేరా ఇక నిన్ను వీడనాడలే ఏరా మరులు మించేరా
What do you want? What do you want? I would like to say that this little program, if I could call it a program, of course it's more a demonstration, and I'm spending this very pleasant time with all of you viewers. I would like to dedicate this to my father's memory. Film director K. Subramaniam was born on 20th April, 116 years ago. So this is his 116th birth anniversary. That's why I gave this date. He always wanted me to sing, he wanted me to dance, and today I'm dedicating this to my father. What do you want? Achyuta. Mahati performed it for you. The other day you had Mahati performing the first verse. You want that to be repeated.
अक्षता केकला.
Then we'll do one thing. We'll avoid the first stanza which Mahati performed. Take some other stanza. Okay. Antapurana.
First beginning then
Okay, go on the beginning. Okay, from the Virtam.
श्रुत्वा गुणान् भुवनसुन्दर शृण्वतान्ते निर्विश्य कर्णविवरैः हरतोङ्ग रूपं दृशां दृशिमताम् अखिलार्थ लाघु त्वयि अच्युत अच्युता विशति चित्तम् अपत्रपुं मे त्वयि अच्युता अच्युता विशति चित्तम् One piece on பெரிய one கேட்கலாம்.
One piece on Teriva. Sure. Tilana would end. Kannan had composed a Tilana. This we did especially for his birth centenary. And for each Kandi of the Tilana, I brought in my choreography, the Pindi. Pindi means group formation of the 6 cults. Surya, Shiva, Vishnu, Devi, Ganesha, and at the end, Kaumara, and at the end we had the verse on Mahapariva. I will just do that part.
करुणासागरं चन्द्रशेखरं करुणासागरं चन्द्रशेखरं परमहंसाधिपतिं परमेश्वरं करुणासागरं चन्द्रशेखरं परमहंसाधिपतिं परमेश्वरं काषायाम्बरो
काषायाम्बरो योगदण्डकरं दृश्य ब्रह्मानन्दं परमगुरुं भजे दृश्य ब्रह्मानन्दं परमगुरुं भजे परमगुरुं भजे परमगुरुं भजे சின்னஞ்சிறு போலி கேட்டிருக்கா அண்ட் அந்த லாஸ்ட் அச்சுதா அண்ட் பகவத்கீதா.
Oh my God, that is difficult. I can't.
நான் உன் ஃப்ரெண்டு
That I need my instruments so that Kannan has to play. That is little difficult.
சின்னஞ்சிறு
I have to disappoint you. I can't do that Bhagavad Gita Achyuta. Chinnanjiri Pen Pole. Gayatri, you did that? Wonderful dance that you want to repeat the same songs.
Ardhanarishwara, please.
Ardhanarishwara. I'll just do the Pallavi. Sitting, I'll do the Pallavi because I won't go into the jattis and all that. I need my Madhana for that. It will be more or less just Ardhanarishwara, not even the whole form. I will just concentrate on the Mukhaja aspect.
Ardhanarishwaram आराधयामि सततं 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 ardhanarishwaram आराधयामि
सततं वर्धनाईश्वरम्
బ్రహ్మముక్కటే.
Okay. Kudaratandana. Ellam Murtharam Patnam. Sing once.
तंदनाना ही तंदनाना तुझे तंदनाना बड़ा तंदनाना ब्रह्म मुकटे पर ब्रह्म मुकटे ब्रह्म मुकटे पर ब्रह्म मुकटे 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 कंदुवगु हीनाधिकमु लिंदुलेवु कंदुवगु हीनाधिकमु लिंदुलेवु अंदरिकी श्रीहरे अंदरिकी श्रीहरे अंतरात्मा इंदुलो जंतु कुलमिंतानొకటే अंदरिकी श्रीहरे अंतरात्मा 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 तंदनाना ही तंदनाना तुरे तंदनाना बड़ा तंदनाना ब्रह्म मुकटे पर ब्रह्म मुकटे ब्रह्म मुकटे पर ब्रह्म मुकटे मुकटे मुकटे
Sisters. Krishna and Begane borrow in different shades.
Three Krishna and Begane borrow. The lover Krishna, the little baby Krishna, that's the original content of the song by Vyasaraya. And Krishna, just to attract somebody in the audience.
कृष्णानि बेगने बारो 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 कृष्णानि बेगने बारो
Ini Tevaram.
Devar.
Ida Padgita.
Devar. கைப்போது கலத்து
எந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுறது?
ஆனால் எல்லாம் மிஷின்
சரி.
ஏன்னா அது ரொம்ப பெருசாக படுது. சம்திங் ஸ்மால். இல்லை ஸ்மால் ஒன்று தலையினி வந்து just all once. This is called Thiru Angamalai because upper Adigal is addressing each limb in our body and we come to know the duty of every limb. As you see and hear, you will understand. Starting from Thalai.
தலையே நீ வணங்காய் தலை மாலை தலை கணிந்து தலையாலே பலி தேடும் தலைவனை தலையே நீ வணங்காய் தலையே நீ வணங்காய் கண்காள் காண்பிங்களோ கடல் நஞ்சுண்ட கண்டதனை என் தோள் வீசி நின்றாடும் பிராந்தனை கண்காள் காண்பிங்களோ கண்காள் காண்பிங்களோ நெஞ்சே நீ நினையாய் நிமிர் புன்சடை நிர்மலனை மஞ்சாடும் மலை மங்கை மணாளனை நெஞ்சே நீ நினையாய் நெஞ்சே நீ நினையாய் கைகால் கூப்பித் தொழி கடி மாமலர் தூவி நின்று பைவாய் பாம்பரையாற்ற பரமனை கைகால் கூப்பித் தொழி கைகால் கூப்பித் தொழி தேடிக் கண்டு கொண்டே திருமாலோடு நான் முகனும் தேடித் தேடுணா தேவனை என்னுள்ளே தேடி கண்டு கொண்டே தேடி கண்டு கொண்டே தேடி கண்டு கொண்டே.
ಹೋಗೋದು ಚಿತ್ತವಾಗ
Purandaradas' composition. This is in the form of all the gopis stopping Krishna going to Mathura. Now understand.
ನಾಗಶಯನ ನಿನ್ನ ಅಗಲಿ ಒಂದು ರಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೈರಿಸುವೆವು ಮದರ ಮೂರ ದುಚಿತವೇ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುರಗೆ ಬಾಗುವೆನು ನಿನಗೆ ಹರಿಯೇ 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 ಹೋಗುವ ದುಚಿತವೇ ಮಾಧವ
சந்தன சக்கரம் ஒரு சாம்சம்
எங்கே வச்சு
யானை நந்தினி அந்த பிட் கேட்குறேன்.
வாண்ட்
அந்த பிட் பண்ணுறேன்.
இல்லை அம்மா பண்ணிட்டல இது சரி ஆல்ரெடி டன்
ಚಂದನ ಚರ್ಚಿತ ನೀಲ ಕಳೇಬರ ಪೀತವಸನವನ ಮಾಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಚರನ್ಮಣಿ ಕುಂಡಲ ಮಂಡಿತ ಗಂಡಯುಗ ಸ್ಮಿತ ಶಾಲಿ ಹರಿರಿಹ ಮುಗ್ಧ ವಧೂನಿಕರೇ ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಲಸತಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರೇ ಹರಿರಿಹ ಮುಗ್ಧ ವಧೂನಿಕರೇ ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಲಸತಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರೇ ಹರಿರಿಹ ಹರಿರಿಹ ಹರಿರಿಹ
அறிவேனையா
ஆசி பாசம்
ஆசை பாசம் எல்லாம் அங்கே ஆணையிடுவதெல்லாம் இங்கே பூசை செய்வது எல்லாம் அங்கே போக்கிரி பேச்சு எல்லாம் இங்கே அறிவேனையா உன் அந்தரங்கம் எல்லாம் வெகு நன்றாக அறிவேனையா
ஜிங்கிள் மாதிரி ஜிங்கிள் மாதிரி
ஆமாம்
குறைகின்ற
கடைசி
கலிநாளுக்கிறங்கி கல்லிலே இறங்கி நிலையாக கோயிலில் நிற்கின்றாய் கேசவா கலிநாளுக்கிறங்கி கல்லிலே இறங்கி நிலையாக கோயிலில் நிற்கின்றாய் கேசவா குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லை மறைமூர்த்தி கண்ணாயாதும் மறுக்காத மலையப்பா யாதும் மறுக்காத மலையப்பா மாது ஏதும் தர நிற்கும் கருணை கடலனை ஏதும் தர நிற்கும் கருணை கடலனை என்றும் இருந்திட ஏது குறை எனக்கு என்றும் இருந்திட ஏது குறை எனக்கு ஒன்றும் குறையில்லை மறைமூர்த்தி கண்ணா ஒன்றும் குறையில்லை மறைமூர்த்தி கண்ணா மணிவண்ணா மலையப்பா கோவிந்தா 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 கோவிந்தா.
ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கலாம்? If there are any questions,
ஆ
நீங்கள் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லுங்கள்.
ஆ
நிறைய பேர் அண்ணலும் நோக்கினார்கள்.
சரி இது
அண்ணலும் நோக்கினார்.
The mobile is on the other side, so I can't see. Only Mahati tells Gayatri, Gayatri tells me.
அண்ணனும் நோக்கி காட்டு.
விருத்தம் விட்டு.
அண்ணலும் நோக்கினான். கண்டோடு கண்ணினை கவ்வி ஒன்றை ஒன்று உள்ளவோ நிலப்பெறாது உணர்வும் ஒன்றிட தற்கேன அண்ணலும் நோக்கினார். அவளோ நோக்கினார்.
Daddy Juj. Daddy Juj. Bhajagovinda Nachi.
Pallavi விட்டு.
கூலி மிக கேட்பான்.
Bhajagovinda.
டைம் இருக்காது.
சொல்லு என்ன கொஸ்டின்ஸ்? ஓகே. பஜகோவிந்தம் பண்ணி முடிக்கிறீங்களா இல்லை கொஸ்டின்ஸ்?
கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். இப்போவே கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். போகணும். டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேஷன்ஸ்னா.
If anybody, நீங்கள் சொன்னால்
If you want any questions, because there is not much time left, you had enough demonstration.
some incidents from your Karana research days.
Karana research day. Okay, there's so many instances, but one thing I would like to share with you, quite a comical incident. I had climbed Kumbakonam Gopuram, and my sister-in-law Shamla was also with me. I have to come closer and quote. Okay, you hear me now? My sister-in-law Shamla Mani and I had gone, and like, you know, Gopura Vastu அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவா தெரியுமா? குரங்குக்கு தான் கோபுர வஸ்துன்னு பேரு. Oh, sorry. In Tamil, for fun you say Gopura Vastu, which is actually monkey. Both of us were like monkeys. We climbed the Gopuram because I had to copy the inscriptions in the Karana sculptures in the Gopuram of the temple. And there was hardly any space there to stand. I couldn't have, the feet couldn't be kept like this. It had to be kept like that, and there was nothing to hold except the sculpture itself. So I had a bag inside which I had Natyashastra for reference, some brush for cleaning, and Shamla was carrying a notebook, and I was cleaning the inscription and she was copying the inscription. Like this, we had to walk the entire side of the Gopuram, because once you go up, you can't come down unless you finish that side. And it was on the street side, and one fellow was shouting, saying in Tamil, "Amma, Amma, give it to me, I will take it. Give it to me, I will take it." We didn't know what he was asking for, so we were wondering, we were asking, what do you want to take? What do you expect from us? He thought we were contractors to clean the Gopuram. And so he was asking for the bat excreta, which he wanted to carry as manure for his beetle leaves garden. So he was going on saying, give me, I will take it. And only later we understood that he wanted the bat excreta. There was enough of that. Only thing is, I couldn't collect it.
Then Miru, she's asking what inspires you most. What inspires you?
Anything that is beautiful in literature, in sculpture, in painting, in the guna of people, good guna of anybody, definitely is an inspiration. It's not only Vidvat, it has to be with Vinaya. So I am very inspired by great people who are humble.
Other art forms இருக்கிறவங்க can they learn the Karanas?
For anything, you need practice. If you have not learned dance,
Dance forms, Mohiniyattam.
oh, sure. If you're a dancer, yes, you can. You can't. If you're a poet, you can't learn to dance the Karanas. I was thinking like that. Any discipline is okay. You can learn.
What's your opinion about online concerts?
Online
Concerts.
concerts. Now it is interesting with lockdown. We have something interesting, and we come across a lot of artists, good artists.
Miracles of Periyava.
Huh?
Any miracles with Periyava?
Every time I've met him, it has been a miracle. And one great miracle is that he asked me to go to Indonesia when I showed him the line drawings for Satara temple that I had made. We were doing a new set of Karana sculptures. 12 years later, I went to Indonesia and discovered Karana sculptures there. And in short, those Karana sculptures of 9th century, about which I did not know, tallied with my designs for the Satara temple. What more miracle you want? It has been the greatest miracle in my life.
Which is the best comment that you have had? Appreciation after performance.
Jessica put the best comment.
Well, coming from the appreciation from very great scholars certainly gives me gratification. I feel very gratified. But what appreciation I had from a 2-year-old child is something I cannot forget. The same Krishnani Begani Baru I had done in America, and this 2-year-old child at the dinner after the program asked me, I thought I saw Krishna, because I always say I don't act, I react. I saw Krishna and I carried him. But this child also had seen Krishna. That innocent mind could visualize divinity. And he was asking me, where did you carry Kicha away? I thought that was a great comment coming from an innocent child.
What books do you recommend for youngsters, young dancers?
There are a lot of good books. Theoretical is one thing. Books which are interpretative are there. And I think number one will be, forget about the technique, that can wait. Learn the true history of India. And because it is not being taught in any school, any college. And the true history of India will make people realize that the entire Indian subcontinent has been one culture. So this is what I would like you to do. Learn true history of India.
Best edition of Natya Shastra, either follow பண்ணலாம்.
The original, I have been following Baroda edition. I think now latest is Dr. K.D. Tripathi's first volume based on the discovery that he had done of Nepali manuscripts. That is the latest edition. It's a very good book, but only 7 chapters are there. He is working on the other chapters.
How to improve Abhinaya?
How to improve Abhinaya? Well, the hand gestures you can learn, you can practice. But to feel, bhava is something which you have to feel. You must internalize the character and the situation. And what is internalized must be externalized. So it's question of concentration. Enna Mathi? Tell
The
me.
Karanda Makutam Adana, how did you develop that?
The Karanda Makutam I copied from the sculptures.
The Ahalya
That
you used.
is meant for Devi, and it is there in the Shilpa Shastra. Shilpa Shastra gives different headgear for different deities. Even the Kirita for Shiva is different from that of Vishnu. So it is from Shilpa Shastra I developed in fact I brought in a Stapati, a sculptor, to design my hairdo before I finalized the hairstyle.
What is the most important aspect for a Bharatanatyam dancer?
Most important aspect, humility, so that you learn. Keep learning.
How did you practice Abhinaya?
It's something which flows from within. It is not just practice. You must have a sense, as I said, for feeling like somebody else. That is what will help you to be a good Abhinaya artist.
Guru Sishya Parampara, what is your opinion about
That is the greatest contribution of India to humanity. The Guru is definitely always superior to the Shishya at any given point. And if the Guru's blessing is there, there is nothing that you cannot achieve in the world.
Other than dance, what do you think is your greatest treasure and your greatest blessing?
My family, my parents, best of my gurus, my parents, my brothers, my sisters-in-law, my brother's son Kannan, his wife Gayatri, their children Mahati and Sham. My family is my blessing. You have to have a good family, and that is most important. That is a blessing. Can I finish?
How was an average day in your life while you were a student?
Very busy from morning to night, because my father was quite an international figure. He used to get great UNESCO scholars. He was honorary liaison officer, state liaison officer for UNESCO. So we used to have a lot of scholars coming from all over the world. Not that I understood what they were talking, but my father would insist that I would sit and listen. And some kind of osmosis, it all went into my head without my understanding. But it's a blessing. When it is necessary, it just comes. This is a blessing. Namaste to all. Thank you, Gayatri. Let's pray that we should soon get out of this sickness which is bothering the entire humanity.